Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to introduce you to the new layers feature of Divi. They've just introduced this and it's a fantastic thing. Now I've got a page here. It's pretty long. It's just one I've been sort of demonstrating modules in it. There's quite a few of them, and as you can see it scrolls quite a long way. Now when you've got a long page like this, moving sections can be a bit of a pain because you have to scroll down, grab the section, then sort of slowly scroll up. Let's enable a visual builder a moment. One way to get around this is with the wireframe mode, but you still got to do a lot of scrolling. This makes it a bit easier to drag your sections up and down the page, but it's still a bit of a laboured task. So let's go back into our desktop view. Now if I close this up, there's nothing over here. If you hit your little purple button at the bottom, now they just introduced these three little icons here. The one in the middle is the one we're looking at. If I click on it, shows us the layers that are in our page, or the sections I should say. Sections blue tab, row green tab, module dark tab. Now if you've named your section, it's going to come up with a name here, which makes it really easy. If you haven't, it's just going to say section. And for those of you that don't know how to name a section, very simple. Just go into the section itself, and it's the admin label under the content tab. First one, admin label. Just give it whatever you want to call it that makes sense to you. Now they've added this feature, it's so much easier, and I've seen this feature on many other page builders, and I'm glad Divi have now implemented it. One of the most notable is Elementor's had this for a long time. So now I can grab, let's grab perhaps our team members. Let's see how far down the page they are. Yeah, it's quite a long way down the page, so I would have had to grab it, scroll, pull, and try and drop it up to the top. Now I can simply just grab this section, drop it wherever I want it. Now there we are, our team section's now at the top of the page, and believe me, when you're doing a lot of this, that is such a time saver. And let's move our countdown. Well, let's move our subs all the way down to the bottom of the page. Right the way down. There we are, just pop that bottom one on top of it. Now when we scroll down, and there's a lot of scrolling, like I say, this would have taken a bit of time, or I would have had to save it and then just reload it here. There's our subs at the bottom there. So that's a really great new feature, and you'll find it right at the bottom, but remember you will have to expand your little purple button here once you're in the builder to see it. So that is going to make workflow a lot quicker. So well done Divi, once again you've sorted us out. So there it is, the great new layers feature from Divi. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.